Hi guys, welcome to the unboxing and quick review of this FURNINXS laptop stand. The listing on Amazon says adjustable portable lap holder riser, foldable, compatible with 11 to 15.6 inch. Almost everything like MacBooks, MacBook Air, HP, Lenovo, Dell, and doesn't matter what kind of laptop it is, usually as long as it fits in this size. So here we have the box. By the way, it's listed for only around $14. So it's a really cheap one. I mean, I'm not saying it's the best one. I have already tested probably the best one, which is around these days, and you'll find the review on my channel as well. It is $40, much heavier, larger, sturdier, and so on. So that was somehow the Mercedes, and this is the Volkswagen of the laptop stands. Here you can see how this looks. They are saying cooling pad. I think doesn't really have cooling pad, but it allows some cooling probably, and it has also a holder which you can use probably for your phone or tablet. So here we open that, and we can already feel that it's much more lightweight than the other one which I have been testing. I mean, I'm not saying you shouldn't buy this thing because it's so cheap and lightweight and not the same thing as the other one, but you have to know what to buy. It's very lightweight, and what we have here, I mean, the hinge here is not secured. It's loosely floating. You can put this up and down. The only thing which makes this stable is this thing here, this bracket. You have to choose your position, and then you can secure it in some different positions. The thing is, it always starts at the bottom. You don't have any function where you can lift this up here like with other laptop stands. You have to know that. So let's first start with a tablet. I have here an Android 10-inch tablet, and you can see it fits easily, nicely. I would say really solid stand here, and we can even put it in an upright position, which is really nice, and different levels, different angles, so that works definitely. But I think we don't have a possibility to use it with a phone. So here we have a phone that's definitely not going to work in any kind. Maybe we can use that somehow here on the side, but it's a little bit loose, definitely not properly secure, doesn't help a lot. But now let's come to the most important usage of this laptop stand, and that's of course for a laptop. So I have to go a little bit back with the camera, so I hope you can still see everything. I turn the thing a little bit around. You can see I have to be really careful. That's not a very safe thing here because it's just on this bracket here, but in general it can considered be safe stand. So if you are good with this solution here, then why not to buy it? Try to make it as low as possible. So this is the lowest angle which you can get. Can you still write? I think it's still possible, so you shouldn't have to be worried, and it's more or less stable. I think this is a 15.6 inch laptop, and it works really well. So if this is more or less the only intention why or how to use that, you can definitely use this thing. That works. It's cheap, it's lightweight, especially when you have to transport this a lot, carry this with you from one place to next place. Why not? This could be a thing for you. But I just want to let you know that there are other solutions around. I mean, I put this thing here and this one here, and you can see the difference. I mean, this is the Volkswagen, this is the Mercedes or Rolls-Royce. This is a different thing, but of course it has different price. It's $40. It is much heavier, and but also much more flexible, much more sturdy. This is a really lightweight solution. I'm not saying it's bad, it works. It has also these non-slip things even underneath here. It's really nice. I mean, I don't think that it will scratch anything. So really lightweight, cheap solution, not very flexible, but you can do some things. This is almost for everything. You can see how flexible this is. You can make this absolutely flat here, I hope you still can understand me because I'm not using microphone. You can lift this up here in the back, and then you can lift up the whole thing here. It needs quite some strength to do that, but you can see the really huge advantage is you can increase the height of the whole laptop. Here you are always at this level here. No matter what you do, you are at the same level here. You can increase the height of the screen, but not of the whole laptop of your keyboard. Here you can change the height of everything. You can also use this as a tablet. You can use this also for your phone. You can even move this a little bit to the front to have better access. So this is total different thing. 10 times more flexible, also works for larger laptops. Total different story, but both at the end works. You have to know what you have to buy, what's better for you, and I'll put down the links of both of these laptop stands into the description down there, so you can check them out and order the one which you need right away from Amazon with this link. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below. I'm always happy to talk about these things, and if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, see you next time.